How to remove iPhone screen time. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you have enabled screen time on your iPhone, then in order to disable it, launch the settings application on your iPhone and scroll down and you will see the option for screen time. Tap on that and then scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for turn off app and website activity. Tap on that and in the confirmation that appears, tap on turn off app and website activity option again, and with this, screen time will no longer be reported and all limits and downtime settings will be turned off. So this is how you can remove iPhone screen time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.